Drums, we have some chords, we have a sax part. Let's add some bass. So we have this Allen 2, The Fence. Sounds like this. I think it's kind of cool because there's drums behind it, but they're very simple, and they may even layer up with our drums just fine. So I'm coming down, I'm in slip mode, I'm using tab to transients. That is not where I want to start, so I'm making sure to go right up to the downbeat. There's another section here that's like there's shorter notes, which could be cool, but we're just going to do the first measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right where it goes back to that downbeat, sounds like this. Perfect loop. Coming over to export clips as files, making sure that it's going to my samples folder, and hitting export. I already have this, so I'm going to mute and hide the track. Dragging it over, going to stereo 3 and port A for the MIDI channel. Now, it's not perfectly in key. There's a couple things with that. But let's go ahead and draw in a note on the bass track. It was a measure, so let's go ahead and put our measure in. Let's go ahead and sync and slice it and time machine it. All right, so it does work. But I don't find it perfectly in key. So what I want to try and do is isolate it. It's also very busy. So I'm going to use my end tab here, and I'm just going to end it before the snare drum. And what I want to show you here is that we can tune this. So we could just move it up, you know. So, you know, that's one way to find the right note. And if we feel that it's close, we could start to add, you know, cents here. So we could put in a 5. If you move this, it's going to default to semitones. So those are full steps. But if you just, let me get this back to 0. If you put in a 5 here and hit return, it'll go up, you know, half a step. All right, I'm actually going to leave it at 0. I just want to show you that you can tune it. And by this way, what we're able to do is do basically just those 2 notes, and then when we want to change, so let's see how that goes with this chord change. So, you know, imperfect, but hip hop with samples, old school, is kind of imperfect. There you have a little bass line.